175 doors. That's how many auctions that we're gonna have to do for just like, within the first 90 days of buying it and like getting it up and running and stuff. Now, are you gonna have any auctions for Carrollton? Because that one, I think he did a lot of auctions before we even moved in, right?
I think he did do some auctions. We have, I'm at Carrollton, right? One,
So,
two,
I mean,
here,
I
I
don't
can show
think
you.
there's gonna be a lot of, I mean, essentially for one facility, just like, one or two every
Do
couple
you
of
want to
months.
see the auction as I'm doing it in like the next couple of days?
Okay, sure. What's happening?
Where's
Now,
one?
obviously, if you have one facility, you're gonna be like, you're not gonna have this many
So
auctions. But
this
maybe just a lot
is
of auctions.
Carrollton. This is our Mission Self-Storage Carrollton. I'm going to be doing an auction for November 8th. I already know that because I've already done it for another location. It's a new facility, so I'll do it at 10 o'clock in the morning. And then an online auction. Save. And then I refresh
Okay.
it.
Oh,
And
so
so
these are all available for auction. There's a lot of people for auction right here for
that many people are going to be auctioned.
this is
So
the one that we
that's,
just bought.
yeah,
Okay.
this is Carrollton. So this is how many people I'm putting in the auction. This is how many letters I have to send out. And this is how many, like, this is the start. This is the start number.
Well, so this one, just so you guys know, this is 175 doors, I think. Okay, around 175 doors. And this is like us
160.
just 160. Okay, so then us just buying the facility. And that's how many auctions that we're gonna have to do for just like, within the first 90 days of buying it and like getting it up and running and stuff. So how many is that? Like 20?
1, 2,
About
3, 4,
20.
5, 6, 7, 8, 12,
So
13,
we're gonna lose like, we're gonna lose a good 20
21.
people.
And this
21.
is not, this is on the 13th. So on the 26th, remember I do it on the 26th, there might be a handful more that haven't paid for this month, which is why I wait till the 26th. So this
What
might
are
be
you guys
21
doing
now,
to
but it
get
might
in
be.
contact with them? Are y'all doing like trying to get into contact with them right now and try to get them to get paid up, or what are y'all doing for that?
This one, it looks like Steph already tried to contact them on the 5th. They need to
Okay.
sign their contract and they need to be verified. They've sent email reminders, text messages. They're trying to get a hold of them. They've emailed. Yep.
Yeah.
They've been doing
Okay.
stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so we are having like for all students of Storage Nerds, we're having our boot camp. It's on the 23rd and the 24th of September. And this is where Pete and I teach it, but Pete really teaches it. And this is the stuff that we get into. It's a management boot camp. Like, really, how do you actually do all this? Because people are always worried about finding and funding the deals. But the truth of the matter is, like, what Bonnie does to manage and run all these facilities, this is really how you make all your money. You got to make sure you're doing occupancy and auctions and stuff like this. So that's what the boot camp for the 23rd and the 24th is. So hopefully, all the students that are here that are listening, and they're going to be at that boot camp listening, because this is the kind of stuff that we're going to be getting into. At least it's kind of a preview of today is what we're going to be doing. And just getting into the nitty gritty of it, because the truth is like, this is really what you're doing when you own a storage facility. This is the stuff that you do, right? Nobody ever really thinks about that. And then, just seeing the auction process and all the steps and stuff. I mean, it just really is a lot of work to me, even if it's just one facility with one auction. It's a lot of steps to be able to do that. So you got to know and understand the process and know how to implement it. Now Bonnie is in stage 4 of everything. So stage 1 is like getting everything under contract, finding a facility and getting it under contract. Stage 2 is onboarding that facility and getting it to where we can close on it. Stage 3 is like, okay, stage 3 is like Carrollton. We just bought that facility. We're trying to get it up and running. And then stage 4 is really like, okay, now we're getting it up and running. We got to get the auctions out. We got to get occupancy up. We've got to do all this kind of stuff is what we do. How do we automate all that? So Bonnie really kind of manages a lot of that stage 4 is really what she's doing. All right, so you guys get to at least get a preview of what's happening internally for us with these 16 facilities that we have.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.